The Ryobi 18-volt 1 Plus power scrubbers make tackling multiple cleaning projects cleaner, easier, and faster. The industry's most powerful handheld scrubbers effortlessly power through tough stains and grime, making traditional cleanup tasks quick and easy. Complete a variety of cleanup tasks easily with the interchangeable brush heads. Go from a soft bristle for delicate projects like cleaning outdoor furniture or windows, to a medium, or all the way to a hard bristle for tough jobs to remove built-up dirt and grime. Both telescoping and handheld scrubbers are water-resistant up to 3 feet and last up to 2 hours of continual use on a single charge. The telescoping scrubber extends over 50 inches, allowing you to clean those hard-to-reach places without the need for a ladder. And I just can't overemphasize the 1 Plus system advantage. From power tools like drills, saws, and sanders, to lawn and garden tools like mowers, blowers, and trimmers, the 18-volt 1 Plus system gives you the power to do more. These Ryobi 18-volt 1 Plus power scrubbers and scrubber accessories are available exclusively at the Home Depot and online at homedepot.com.